I grew up in a place where people like me feel unsafe. In secondary, I made a lot of mates. I had to separate from them because the relationship grew fake. One day, I encountered them on the bus. Long story short, they beat me up and I lost my stop. I was lost, stranded in a weird location, and then the guy approached me. He asked me to play basketball with them. I had nothing to do, so I accepted. I performed really well. If it wasn't for those guys, I wouldn't have anything to say. If I can do it, so can you. Turn the bad into good.
It's a sense of community. It gives you a sense of maturity, a sense of like helping other people in their lives as well.
And just trying to get them out of crime and try to get them into a legal lifestyle and just get them into stuff like going to work, getting to college, doing well in school and trying to just improve.
To show like the youth as a good representation and to just show like not all youth are what other people would expect. And I'm here because I want to take part and just to enjoy and like show a different view of the youth.
I just want to be part of something, meet new people and socialise and just knowing more about them.
It helps us youth come together as one, no matter where we're from, make new friends, like new adventures every day, and it helps us grow up.
Have fun, gather together to socialise and communicate more. So people can make new friends, feel special, one of the best times of their lives.